Hey everyone, can you prove that? Let's check them. First of all, I would like to request you for subscribe my channel for more videos. Let's check them. 0 equals 0. As you know, 0 equals 16 minus 16 and 20 minus 20. Not wrong. 16 minus 12 minus 4 equal 20 minus 15 minus 5. This left side we can take out 4 both value. 4 times 4 minus 3 minus 1 equal. Right side we can take out 5 both value. 4 times 3 times 1. You can see same value in the both side. We can neglect them. After that we have 4 equal 5. We can write 4 is 2 plus 2 equal 5. It is prove that. What is the wrong place? Comment to answer and subscribe my channel.